Pick up, reel. Okay, hold there. Very cheeky bugger.
Yes, they went like...
You see what I mean? Just hold. Yeah. It went to go land on the roof of the awning. That's a bronzie.
Is it?
So the rod we wanted it to take on,
Yeah.
but didn't.
Yep. You get him, and you think, no, he's coming, and then...
Yeah, you gain some, you can see. But if you know how to work a lever drag reel.
I don't know what that is.
So the drag of the lever drag is on the side.
Oh, okay.
So you adjust the drag there. So if that last rod goes, then I prefer you give me this rod, you go for that one.
Yeah.
Because if there's a bronze that picks you up there, you will land that one up. This one. Yeah, this is normally where when they're kicking that knock.
Yeah.
That's when they come off.
Apa tu masalah
Yeah, he's not from Zimbabwe.
Orang kan di mana pakai loop. Dis daai is 'n honeymoon pillow man. Weet jy. Bronze is 'n kind papa. Kita liga sien staan die manne lyk of wat geploeg is. Leef by hulle op en af.
This is lekker.
This is what it's about.
Yeah.
You deserve a beer after this, whether you land it or not. to be stuck in on it for this long with the trace. This is. Focus.
Cheers, bud.
Jackie. Yay! Go. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, didn't even get to spend much time with it.
Thanks, bud.
You on here?
Yeah, I feel they're feeling their head.
Yeah, I must pull it. That sinker's probably still sitting.
No, I'm in quite a bit, I think. Oh, good. It's still sitting, yeah.
So kom! Kom! So kom! Yo! Wow!